Okay, in this video I will show you how to start the software and how to get it running. This is my Facebook Marketplace poster. First thing we need is the account file. Multiple accounts are possible in the same file. Then we need the city list, in which cities we want to advertise. Okay, now first I'm going to explain to you how the CSV file has to look like. This is how it has to look like. What do you see first? The first one is what you are selling. Okay, so the title. The second thing is the description. And don't worry, I will help with everything. The price, path to folder of images, number of images, main category. In Holland, where I live, we don't have a second category, a third category, a fourth one. We have no shipping type or shipping rate. So these are all blank, nothing. Okay? Condition, used good. And the tags. Tags, yeah, you can put whatever you want, mountain bikes, because we are selling now mountain bikes. Quantity, 1. Okay? This is how it has to look like. Let's post 5. So here you can you can put how many the software will post before it stops posting, how many minutes to wait between the posts, and what the maximum waiting time is between the posts. I always put 1, 2, and that's it. Now I'm gonna run it.